Lower Gangetic plain is characterized by humid climate with high temperature. So we know now when you read about lower Gangetic plain, it means West Bengal. And following pair of crops, we know humid climate. We know that paddy and jute are the most famous. Cotton is basically western or southwestern part of we in the previous question we came across Gujarat. Then paddy and cotton, again cotton is not there. Then wheat is not there because wheat requires relatively less moisture. So in humid climate there is no point of cultivation of large amount of wheat. So paddy is there here, cotton is not there here, wheat is not there, but jute is there. Again wheat and cotton is, so C is the correct option. C is the correct option. Here I've just given, if you can see the a small table like making these stuff. So here different crops and different types of climate, soil suitable and leading producer. Then salinization occurs when the irrigation water accumulated, leaving behind salts. What are the effects of salinization? This is a very common problem in the regions such as the Malwa region or the Punjab region where the excess water is accumulated. So there is a concept known as capillary action. So if we have plants or crops growing here and the soil, if excess water, if water more than the requirement of that plant or crop is supplied, so that water it accumulates over the soil surface, and when it evaporates, along with that, when it evaporates, it's kind of similar, the concept is similar to when we draw water or suck water for using a straw. So we are in type, we in a form, in a way we are creating an empty low pressure or vacuum space from which the solutes along with the solvents, they are coming up and they get the salt particles, sodium, calcium, they move upwards, and due to capillary action, this water logging, they accumulate in the form of salt pans. So that causes the salinization of soil. So it greatly increases the crop production. It makes some soils impermeable. It raises the water table. No, it fills air spaces in the soil with the water. This is also incorrect. So the correct option is B.